We care for your health and our planet. A better environment, a better tomorrow. The Brand Hanna is a brand that has specialized in developing and manufacturing sanitary products since 2005. Our products are distributed in stores online and offline in major chain stores throughout the world, including the US, Canada, Australia, France, and South Korea. With the world's largest production, we mainly manufacture and distribute high-quality, eco-friendly sanitary products. Hanna Sensa is a specialized period underwear with a gusset made of 100% organic cotton. It's designed to be worn without pads, tampons, and menstrual cups. Hanna Padda is a washable, sustainable, and eco-friendly cloth pad made of certified organic cotton. It has TPU waterproof coating, as well as patented non-slip options. Hanna Cup is made of 100% medical-grade soft silicone and comes in 3 sizes: extra small, small, and medium. Hanna All Cotton is a disposable sanitary pad made with OCS certified organic cotton and made without super absorbent polymer or pulp. Hannawell is a multi-use organic cotton incontinence underwear for both men and women. Hygienic and labor-safe environment-compliant factories with thorough quality control. In addition to the brand Hanna, we also manufacture and supply products through OEM, ODM, and private labeling. We provide packaging design services if needed. Partner with us. Delivering high-quality products on time is our promise.